Today we are drawing a monkey! Grab your paper and marker and let's go! We are starting with the monkey's head. Now we will draw its face. Draw monkey's eyes, nose, and mouth. Time to draw its body. We will draw our monkey's hands, legs, and stomach. Monkeys love bananas, so we will draw a banana in the hands of the monkey. We will complete the monkey's drawing by drawing its big ears and a curved tail. Coloring time! First, we will color the inner ears and stomach of the monkey pink. Now we will color its face and ears light brown. Time to color the banana in the hands of the monkey brown and yellow. Bright yellow for the banana! Yum, yum, yum! At last, color the rest of the monkey brown.
It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.